Well, my ma told me that her MacBook died. Basically, power button, no worky. You can see adapter's getting power, but nothing else is. I told her I'd take a look, but I've looked online and I know that's pretty common. Basically just up and quits, which is stupid. But I thought, hey, it's a chance to take it apart and see what's going up inside there. But I don't suspect, from what I understand, it's motherboard, basically a motherboard issue. So I told her she can start shopping for a new computer. But let's take a look in there. Alright, took the case off. There's a bunch of tiny little screws. Like any laptop would have. So essentially, yeah, I mean, the switch is literally right in here. There's not a good way to act. I mean, you have to pull, I don't know, you got to pull a bunch of this stuff from what I can tell. So, I'm not saying there's much to look at without really ripping it apart. But the good news is maybe to buy one that has a broken screen and just, use the screen from this one on that one. But always a bummer when a laptop stops working. The other thing I noticed, the fan, and there's just dust all over the board here. So it's almost like the fan's supposed to go out here, but it's putting dust up this way. It just seems more dust than there should be. Even up here, it's probably impossible to see on the camera, but yeah, just more dust on all these like chips here than I would expect. So I don't know, that's not a great sign. I suppose that could short stuff. So yeah, kind of, it's dead. It's dead, Jim. It's dead. And it's a MacBook.